Let's rewind a bit to take a look at how this could have been prevented. Kitchen fires commonly start when the contents of the cookware overheat. Cooking is left unattended or due to electrical faults in appliances. Such fires could enter the kitchen exhaust ducts, known as KEDs, where grease accumulates over time. In an event of an oil fire, turn off the gas immediately and use a wet cloth or lid to cover the cookware. Do not pour water into the cookware as it will cause fire to flash over. If the fire gets out of control, immediately call 995 for SCDF's assistance. To prevent such accidents from happening, all store owners are advised to not leave cooking unattended. Ensure the stove, its surrounding area, especially the kitchen exhaust hood and grease filter, are cleaned regularly and are free from excess grease and oil stains. It is also advised to engage a specialist cleaning company to thoroughly clean the KEDs annually. Do not let this happen to you, so be aware.